All right, hey, Josh with Attica Lumber, and here is a 22 by 30, and you can see a 10 by 22 porch. But look at this approach that this gentleman did, and I'm going to show you in a few seconds here. We use an existing pad for this post frame building, but look at this, what he did. Coming right off the porch section of his house, and then he poured this section right here all the way to his garage. So we took an existing garage that was a little bit beat up, and we put up this, again, 22 by 30 with a 10 by 12. You can see how clean this is, white. See the grid window out there, 3 by 3. Then under the porch, 3 by 3, a man door. But what you can do in a residential suburban neighborhood with a building that maybe is an eyesore, or maybe that's just went a little bit too long in its life cycle, and this is what you can do. But the concrete's poured. But let's walk up here a little bit closer and look at the detail of the trim and so forth. But you can see here, finished liner panel. Everything's white, very, very clean. Obviously fascia soffit right there. And I'm not sure if this gentleman's gonna do white post wraps or not, but I was just talking to the gentleman. He's looking at getting, obviously, fill dirt as well to put in the building. But you can see right here. But let's go inside the building here, take a look. See, he's got his privacy windows actually on the eave up a little bit higher up there. See how he's got this box in. I believe those are 6 by 2s. Memory serves me right. But he's got those up. Again, the grid windows sets this building off again in a residential neighborhood. But you can see what we did right here. We took the existing pad, and what we were able to do, we took 6 by 6 posts. And again, leave it in the comments, you know, again, on the building, depending on the size of the building. We'll use 3-ply, 4-ply, concrete perma columns. What we were able to do here, we were able to bracket this. See how we were able to bracket this to the existing pad. And concrete, obviously, as you guys know, is not cheap. So this gentleman was able to save money, take an existing pad that was level and use brackets. And we were able to bracket 6 by 6s to the existing pad on site right here. And then he's got his uplifts. Obviously, in most ordinances, especially in town, you gotta have uplifts, obviously, to keep the building from racking and so forth. And then the vapor barrier up there. But let's pan around here one more time here, and then we'll end it. I'll show you the approach again coming from this angle. Actually, let's get over here so you can see this side. Very clean, as you can see, white. Right there, the window's up high there. So again, 22 by 30 and a 10 by 22 porch on the other side. But for more information, atticalumber.com. You can call us 419-426-BAR at Attica Lumber. Since 1925.